So this pothole here absolutely destroyed my rim, and I had to take it in for repairs. Let me show you what this pothole looks like. So this is the pothole I hit going to work one morning. So my rim is currently in for repairs. I'll probably get it today or tomorrow. So this is what happens if you play on your radio while you're driving to work and you hit a massive freaking pothole. Now I need to get that sorted. Now my car is looking very swanky with this nice spare wheel Mari biscuit on here. So yeah, just lucky there's no suspension damage. Can be very lucky about that. So it's just a rim that needs to be repaired, and then of course I need to put 2 tires on, which I'm not too concerned because the tires was due for replacement anyway. So that just fast-tracked it a bit. How's it, guys? So I'm finally getting my tire fixed. I got my rim back this morning. So I'm currently here by Minty's in Bedford View, Edenvale side. Shop looks amazing. It's the first time I'm here. It's actually a nice big warehouse, well, shop they have here. Car is currently on the lift. They are loosening everything up. Gonna get the new tires fitted. So excited for that because I haven't been able to hit this car and drive it because of the spare wheel. I've been driving very cautiously. So here is the new rim. It looks freaking crazy. Like I just need to get this replaced. That looks a bit, yeah, that doesn't look nice, but the rim is back to tip-top condition, looking amazing. Okay, new tires on, wheel alignment done, some nice new tread on there. Thank you, Minty's. I'm not running on the spare anymore, so that's a big help. Sure, I must say I'm just pulling out the parking lot here, and the car already feels a lot better with the new tires on, but it normally does. Yeah, I must say it makes a big difference, new tires, eh? Oh, this is going to be so nice to be able to drive the car again. What a big difference it makes if you have new tires on. Normally I have to switch off the traction control because it's all over the place and cutting in because the previous tires I had on were slipping so much. So that was basically a full acceleration, first, second, third, and you guys could see the car wasn't jumping or the traction control wasn't kicking in. Almost no tire squealing. I don't think there was any tire squealing. So yeah, I'm so glad my car's back to normal. The rim has been sorted out, the wheel alignment's been done, wheel balancing on all the tires. So I put 2 new tires on and they are performing exceptional. For those of you who are interested what tires I put on the Nexons, the Nexon Inferas. It's a more budget tire, I'm going to be honest. I wasn't willing to pay 2.5, 3 grand for Bridgestones or Goodyears or Michelin's, Conti's, even Toyos. I don't see the justification in spending that amount of money on tires. Well, comment down below, maybe you guys feel different. So I went for the Nexons. I read up some reviews on them. The only complaint that I've seen that the guys complain about is that it's a softer compound tire, so the kilometers you get out of it, you don't get such high kilometers out of it as you would, for instance, a Conti or. But look, at 1,000 rand a tire, compared to 2,300, 2,400 for Michelin Pilot Sports or whatever. And these things hook compared to the Dunlop SP Sports I had on previously. But look, also the Dunlops, it was 2017 tires. I had a look at the expiry dates the other day. 5 years, 4 years, the tires are not going to perform that well anymore, and the tire tread was weighed down a bit, so it was slipping a lot. Friends that work with me, he actually recommended the tire, and I looked it up. I'm very impressed with the performance of the tire. For $1,000 a tire, things are hooking. Okay guys, I'm going to end the video here. Thanks for watching. Comment down below all your thoughts. If you guys need advice, hit me up. I'm always willing to help anyone in the motor industry or anyone that needs some help with cars. Okay guys, if you can take 2 seconds, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I really want to get this channel growing. And as always, I will catch you in the next one.